In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio in Notion. Whether you're a designer, writer, or in any creative field, having a well-organized portfolio is essential. Notion can be a powerful tool for organizing your work and presenting it in a way that showcases your skills and creativity. So, let's dive into the steps to set up your own portfolio in just a few quick minutes. First, you'll need to visit the Notion website. You can do this easily by opening your preferred browser and typing in Notion in the search bar or simply entering notion.com directly into the address bar. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Click on this to proceed. To make things smoother, choose the option Continue with Google. This will allow you to select your Google account and log in without needing to remember yet another password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Notion dashboard, which is your home base for all things Notion. Now, to explore the fantastic world of Notion templates, navigate to the Templates section. This is where Notion houses its extensive library of templates that cater to a variety of needs. In the search bar of the Templates section, simply type in the word Portfolio. Immediately, you'll be presented with a range of templates designed specifically for showcasing your work. Browse through the available options and select a portfolio template that resonates with your aesthetic and functional needs. Remember, the right template will not only make your portfolio look professional, but also help you present your projects effectively. Once you've made your choice, click on the template to get more details. Inspect it to ensure it suits your style and covers all the elements you want to include in your portfolio. Satisfied with your choice? It's time to hit Add. By doing so, you'll integrate this template into your Notion workspace, ready for customization. This is where you add your personal touch, filling the template with your work, details, and any other information you'd like to share with potential clients or employers. As you work to personalize your portfolio, make sure to use the features that Notion offers, such as adding images, embedding videos, and including links to live projects. These enhancements can make your portfolio more dynamic and engaging, thereby making a lasting impression. With your new Notion portfolio, you will be all set to confidently showcase your skills and achievements. Whether you're presenting your work to potential employers, clients, or using it as a reflective personal milestone, this portfolio will serve you well. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.